Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're going to shop the top 10 summer trends, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's go shopping. The first trend we're shopping for is yellow. It's so popular right now and probably one of the best colors for summer. This first dress is from Free Assembly. It has that high neckline, smocking, fit and flare with this embroidered eyelet trim. Same fit through the back. It also comes in the navy. The navy has the navy trim, and these are going to be $38. New lace trim tanks from Time and True. So these have that ruffled neckline, ruffle on the side. It's a textured material with that crochet trim. Keyhole in the back in the yellow. Also comes in the light blue. Oh, that one has a bleach spot. And then an ivory, and they are going to be $17.98. New sneakers from No Boundaries. These have the round toe. They have the stripe on the side with the gummy bottom, and the yellow with the black stripe, and they're $24.98. No active skirts from No Boundaries. So these are super soft, stretchy. They have the built-in shorts, fit and flare in the yellow. Also comes in purple and gray, and they're $7.98. No tops from Madden NYC. These have that little ruffle, the tie detail to textured material. Same fit through the back in the yellow. Also comes in the brown, and they're $16.50. New dresses from Celebrity Pink. These have that elastic, the puff sleeve smocking under the bust, dropped here in the light yellow floral. Also that green with the yellow. And they're $27.98. And then on this side, these have a crew neckline. That's what they look like on. In the pink, yellow, white, black, and blue. And I think those are $8. The crew neck sweater tops from Time and True. They have that high neckline, the little ruffled sleeve, rib through the front, that same fit through the back. Only seeing this pink. Over here are some more colors. They also have black and yellow, and they're $17.98. The Bobby Brown, they have the thick strap plunging V, that tie detail, fit and flare. The same fit through the back in the polka dot. Also comes in the yellow, and they are $29.50. I shared these cardigans in the last shop with me. These are actually a set, so it comes with the shell and then the cardigan. Slimmer fit in the yellow, also in pink. Same fit through the back. I don't know why they don't show it open. That looks like. Oh, and there's also black, it looks like, or no, navy. Two pieces are $24.98. The next trend we're shopping for is eyelet dresses and tops. This one's from Free Assembly. It has the smaller collar, eyelet trim, sleeve, also the bottom, and then also eyelet through the body. Same fit through the back in the white. Also comes in the blue, and they are going to be $26. Also combination of the eyelet and the yellow. These dresses, I think they're online only from Scoop. So they have that plunging neckline, oversized puff sleeve, the cutouts on the side, fit and flare, longer length, and then that same fit through the back. New from Free Assembly is this eyelet dress. So this has the tie straps, that ruffled trim pleating through the bust, and then it flows out with the smocking. No, there's no smocking. It's just pleated through the back. Eyelet tanks from Time and True. They have the adjustable straps, the scallop detail, embroidered silky material in the brown, also in the black, and they're $12.98. So with the eyelet details are these tops and shorts from Time and True. So these have the smocking square neckline, that little detail at the bottom, same fit through the back in the green. Also comes in black. Tops are $19.98. Shorts have that elastic waistband with the eyelet trim. They're $22.98. They have another new, this is probably online only color from Time and True, that eyelet top. So it has a higher neckline, the scallop trim with the keyhole. Now in the brown. They also have red. We saw a few other colors, and then I also think there's some other new colors online. And those are $17.98. It is from Celebrity Pink. So they have the little tie ruffle eyelet smocked with the drop tier Same fit through the back with the smocking in the back in the yellow, also in this ivory, and they're $28.50. And also new from Celebrity Pink are these little dresses. So these have the elastic square neckline with the little tie, smocking under the bust, a little dropped here, and then the same fit through the back. Comes in the white, also in this peach, and I think they're $24.50. Diamond tree, they have that scoop neckline, a little bit of a cap sleeve, drawstring in the waist with the eyelet trim bottom. Same fit through the back in the white, also comes in the navy, and they're $15.98. Next trend we're shopping for is drop tier. These are from No Boundaries. Has the lace trim, V neckline, the little drop tier with the squared back. This one also comes in a corally color, like that color, and they're going to be $14.98. New Time and True dresses. These have that crew neckline dropped here, this embroidered detail in the brown, also in the ivory, and they're $24.98. It's from Free Assembly. They have that scoop neckline. Look at the pearled button, flutter sleeve, tiers, same fit through the back, and they're $30. New puff sleeve dress from Free Assembly. This one has the tie detail to poplin with the drop tier, that same fit through the back. Comes in the stripe, and then they also have a denim, and they're $36. The denim has that same oversized bow. New Lynette Lepore dress. So this has the full functioning buttons, belt, puff sleeve. It's a chiffon material, fit and flare with the drop tier, and then that same fit through the back, and they're $24. So new maxi length dress from No Boundaries. This has the plunging V, that lace strap, seam under the bust, longer length, flowy with the smocking in the back, and they're $19.98. New puff sleeve drop tier dresses from Time and True. So this has the high neckline, that little keyhole detail, puff sleeve with that drop tier, belt in the red, also comes in blue, and they're $19.98. Next trend we're shopping for are linen matching sets. These are from Scoop. They have the smaller collar, lapel, tortoise button, the two from Pockets. I shared this in the stripe in yesterday's haul. I feel like it does run small. I wouldn't size down. Has the tortoise buttons. It's completely lined. Same fit through the back. $40. Cute, the new linen pieces from Scoop. So they have a thin strap, square neckline, full button. These are always really popular in the green, also in the ivory with the pinstripe. That we saw the blazer that matches back. So they have the green blazer, also a navy blazer, and then they have a pleated short. It's a Bermuda side button zip with the belt loops, and the pinstripe also in the green, and then they have a pant in the green, pleated barrel leg, side pocket. These look pretty wide at the bottom. Another barrel leg with the trouser pockets in the back. Also new pull-on linen shorts from Time and True. These have the elastic waistband with the drawstring, side pocket, same fit through the back in the true linen color. They have red, the blue stripe. There's another stripe, the beige with the gray. And they are going to be at $19.98. Go with those shorts. We saw the red. Now they have this gray color with the blue. Thicker strap, square neckline, has the button for adjustable straps, little flowy fit in the stripe. I think I saw like a few other colors online, and those are $14.98. Got some new Time and True linen shorts. These have that side button, zip, the pleated detailing with the side pocket. Nice longer length with elastic through the back. Also has the trouser pockets. So it comes in the navy stripe. They have navy, and the shorts are $19.98. New button-down linen tops from Time and True. These have the smaller collar, drop sleeve, that gathered detail on the wrist, full functioning buttons with the seam detail in the back. In the green, also comes in yellow, and they're $22.98. New tanks from Time and True. They have the thicker strap, fit and flare, and they are $17.98. Also sneak peek pants from Celebrity Pink. So these have an elastic waistband, the little tie, flowy wide leg, that same fit through the back, And the pants are $19.50. To match, they have this little tank, so it has the thin straps, buttons all the way down, the little peplum, and then elastic in the back. And the tank tops are $16.50. Next trend we're shopping for is crochet. These are from Celebrity Pink. These are more of an oversized, longer cardigan. Has the tie front with the scallop trim. Also the bottom, same fit through the back. And the ivory also comes in the pink, and these are $21.50. So new cardigans from Celebrity Pink. These are an open knit. Has a little square with the ribbed wrist. It's what the print looks like through the sleeve, and then that same print is through the back. In the brown, also in the ivory, and these are going to be $21.50. New little cardigans from Scoop. Look how cute these are with the little ruffle. Open front, has that open knit scallop trim in the ivory, and then also in the black. Mesh slingbacks from No Boundaries. These have the round toe that mesh with the elastic. I saw these in beige too. They don't have them here, but they're $24.98. New tank from Jessica Simpson. So this one has that scallop trim, scallop on the side, the little tiers, same fit through the back with the little tie. In this brown, blue, green, orange, also the ivory, and they are going to be $26.50. Next to it, they have this new crochet wrap from No Boundaries. So it has the little slit in the white, also in the beige and black, and to match, they have the side tie tank in the white, black, and brown. Those are $15.97. The wraps are $15.97. Color in the shell sarongs from No Boundaries. So now they have the teal, there's purple, and mint. They're $15.97. So new open knit sweaters from Time and Tru. They have that crew neckline relaxed fit. It's what the wrist looks like in the ivory, also in the red, and they're $19.98. New sweater sets from Madden NYC. So this one has the little flower detail crisscross in the back, in the orange. Has the pull-on skirt with the little flower. They both come in the white. The tops are $16.50 and the skirts are also $16.50. Jessica Simpson crochet top. This has a scoop neckline, buttons, it's open knit, and then the same fit through the back, and it's $28.50. The full button, little rounded collar, pointel, puff sleeve in the white, also in the yellow, and they are $26. Also new from Time and Tru are these open knit sweaters. So they have that crew neckline, relaxed fit, that ribbed bottom in the ivory or beige, also in the navy, and they're $15.98. The next trend we're shopping for are Fisherman Nautical. It started last year, it's continued on to this year. These slides are from No Boundaries. They have the square toe, the little sardines. They also have the lobsters. There's the lemons. They had one more. I can't remember what it is, and these are $24.98. Top and pants set has a little tie detail, stretchy. Pants are pull-on, wide and flowy through the leg in the red and white stripe, also in the blue stripe, and they are $17.98. Shorts from No Boundaries. These have an elastic waistband, drawstring, flowy. It's like a terry material. Color in this muscle tee from Time and Tru. This has that crew neckline, side seam, soft and stretchy. Now in the navy and white. We saw it in the white and red, and they're $12.98. So new from Free Assembly are these high neck tanks. These have the thin strap, squared neckline, stretchy through the front and the back. And I think these are 10. And then also new from Free Assembly are these embroidered skirts. They have that seam detail, fit and flare. You can see all the little embroidery. There's a little fish, a sailboat, and they're $32. Also, I don't know what happened, but I filmed this, but the file got corrupt. So I know it was on the last thumbnail. But it has that rolled hem, the side seam, ribbed bottom, ribbed sleeve in the blue flag. Also this fish. There's a lobster, and they're going to be $24. Front pocket pants from Scoop. So these have the button zip, the 2 pockets, cropped leg, wide and flowy through the front and the back. So new from Free Assembly are these poplin dresses. They have the thin strap V neckline, elastic under the bust, fit and flare, and then this little cutout detail, and they're $36. And they also have from Free Assembly these new cardigans. They have that higher neckline, the gold buttons, all this little embroidered detailing, and then just a little bit on the sleeve, and they're $30. New footbed sandals from Free Assembly. These have that round toe, that thong style with the sling back, and they're $35. And we're shopping for our track shorts. These are from Athletic Works. They have that elastic waistband drawstring, this little dolphin hem, same fit through the back in the red, also comes in the black, and they're $10.98. So in those striped shorts, they have these from No Boundaries, elastic waistband, toggle, fit and flare in the blue, green, orange, and then the little dolphin track shorts in the black, gray. There's red, pink, blue, and green, and those are $8.98. Of these new active skirts, drawstring, built-in shorts in the white, and then this with the pleats. Cute to these little Reebok sets, look. $36 for a jacket. It's not too bad. In the red with the white, also in the black, the windbreaker pants, and then they also come in the black. So new windbreaker separates from Avia. These have an elastic waistband, toggle, side pocket, tapered legs, same fit through the back. Jacket to match, has that mock neck with the hood in the back, and then they also have the shorts to match. Jackets are going to be $30, shorts are $18, and the pants are $28. They also have the leggings if you didn't want to do the windbreaker pants. Leggings are $24. Next trend we're shopping for are raffia detailed accessories. So these are from Time and True. They have this square toe, the little flower detail slide. Those are $25.98. Look how cute these are. They're new. So sneak peek item. They have that square toe, the mesh. I love a wedge. And those are $29.98. Also new from Time and True are these knotted slides. So these have the round toe, almost completely flat in that straw look, also in the navy. New slides from Time and True. These have that footbed bottom, the oversized plush strap in this woven brown, also in a woven black, and they're $24.98. They also come in the light blue with the silver hardware. Looks like that bow too also comes in another color. Oh, it's like a straw with the embroidered daisies. New Madden NYC mules. These have the square toe, that little bow. Kitten heel in the beige with the black. They have black raffia, and then also the leopard, and they're $36. New Celebrity pink mule sneakers. These have the round toe with the raffia. How pretty is that sheer ribbon lace? So they have the brown. How cute are these with the floral? And they're $34. Cute are these from Free Assembly, like dumpling style bags. In the straw, like raffia with the black. They also have red and green. They're only $20. It's like perfect night out bag. Mules from Time and True. These have that round toe, that woven look, open in the back, and they're $24.98. Also new from Time and True are these Mary Janes. They have the round toe, the little gold details. These are $28.98. And they also come in this straw color. And in the video, thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.